Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Trekking Tweed. We're back with the Couch to Ultra Marathon Runner YouTube series where we're getting off the couch and we're getting onto the fells. We have 8 weeks to go till the what? Till the race. Holy swear words, the race is fast upon us. Welcome to the video and to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe, hit that notification bell for the weekly updates. Like or dislike the video, comment below. Should we get stuck into it? Yes. So you're all wondering how the ITB is doing. The iliotibial band, how is it getting on, Richard? It's still sore as a bear's proverbial. So we're taking it patiently, ladies and gents. That's the ladies and gents counter 2. So patience is not a virtue I have, or my friends or my family that I'm finding out. So recovery is slow and you have to be patient. That is the golden nugget for today's video. Patience while we are recovering. With that in mind, we have started the recovery process this week. We've done 2 sessions of the strength and conditioning. They have been longer sessions and more intensity, with more intensity. And we have started a 5k walk/run. So we're doing 5k, 3.1 miles. We're doing 1 minute of running or jogging, just light jogging, gentle. 2 minutes of walking. So thus far, with 1 session of this, towards the end of each minute the leg is getting a little sore, but the pain is about 1 out of 10. So it's really super manageable. It's lovely to get outside and get moving again, because I've been cooped up inside throwing a kettlebell around and resistance bands, which is great. It's great fun, but it's nice to be outside. It's very therapeutic. So we've really started, it's motivated me actually. It's been tough going for a couple of weeks now, just not, watching everybody running and walking and getting outside where they can safely and locally here in the UK. But now it's starting to feel a bit better because I'm getting out myself. So this plan, we've got to plan 2 to 3, maybe 4 weeks of this type of thing with the 5k. Maybe we'll slowly increase it, but we've got 8 weeks. We've got plenty of time till the race if it goes ahead. So it's going well so far. So just got to keep patience. And anyone who knows me knows I'm not the most patient of persons. So basically, that's all we've been doing. I've also done a lot of research on the ITB issue. I've stumbled across a video which is by a guy called Jeff Cavalier at AthleanX. I will put a video link down below. If anybody knows this particular chap and his channel, it's an amazing channel, loads of great information. There's some exercises that he recommends for the ITB, for anybody suffering with that, runners, joggers, walkers, cyclists. I'll put that down below. Check it out, it's really good. It's really inspiring, the actual video, and I've started doing these glute medius exercises along with the strength and conditioning exercises that I'm already doing. So hopefully in a few weeks we'll be having it sorted and really getting amongst the miles, because I'm itching to get back up into the big miles. What else have I been doing? Right, I've also been breaking in some new shoes, because they are, let's introduce the shoes first, hey? Innovate, they're the Mud Claws. These are the G260s, which is the weight, 260 grams. So as you can see, they're a little bit muddy. I've been breaking them in the house, trying to sort them out, because I've got weird hobbit feet. So they are slightly narrower than the Ultras. In comparison, there's the Ultras that way back in the day, the start of this video, we introduced these. So basically, I've struggled to get hold of these because of the size that I have. Hobbit feet, like I was saying again. So I'm breaking them in. They are absolutely awesome with this amazing tread on there. I believe it's 8mm tread on there, like wearing the old football boots, the old Nike football boots there. So anyone got any Innovates? Anyone got any Ultras? I've got the original pair here as well from Decathlon, which are quite really comfortable. I still enjoy these. So these are a great backup pair. As you can see, they're still quite muddy. So the original Ultras, would you believe it, way back when I bought these in mid-September time, don't quote me on when I actually bought them, but I've been logging the miles in Strava. Head over to Strava if you want to follow me and my antics, also Instagram and the antics. We've done 451 miles on these, and to be fair, other than the bend on them there, and I've done a bit of repair where I've snagged something out in my adventures, they're not looking too bad. And the tread's not too bad neither. I think they've still got a few more miles on. I keep getting emails from Strava to say, change your shoes, they've gone over 450 miles, that's the recommended manufacturer, blah blah blah. So how many miles have you done on your pairs of shoes? What's your go-to shoe? How many miles have you done on? Say you've done a couple of thousand miles on them, let me know. I'd be interested to see how much more we can get out of these Ultras. They are super broken in now, super comfy. They've got the wide toe box, not sponsored by any of these people. Like I'm saying in my previous videos, I'm just letting you know what I'm using. These bad boys are for more of the British kind of climate that we've got, and the mud. So these are the mud claws. We'll be seeing a lot more of these in our videos, although we are getting a bit drier here in the UK. So shoes, let me know what you use. No pun intended or rhyme there. I've also went on a little 5-mile walk with my father dearest up to Breedon Hill up the Elephant Stone there. Previous videos on that. Mathematics, you all want to know how I'm getting on with the mathematics. We've been doing ratios, smashing ratios, 4 hours of that this week. Work's been quite hectic as well. You don't want to know about that. That's me in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen. We're just keeping positive and patient with the recovery. So have a great day, week, month, whenever you're watching this. Please keep safe. Please connect with me on Insta, on the YouTube, on the Strava. Let's get out there, and when the lockdowns end and the world becomes a more vaccinated place, we will get meeting up, and amongst it, we will get amongst it. Have a great time, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you next week. Take care.